Well, howdy, hi there, folks. Good morning and happy Thanksgiving. Although by the time you're seeing this, Thanksgiving's already over, I guess. Anyhow, we are at it again today. We're going to get out on the old Susquehanna and see if we can get after some ducks this morning. Goose is still in season for like 1 or 2 more days, and I don't know, with any luck, maybe we can clap a couple of those. But we're taking the old bass boat out duck hunting today. As per usual, the John boat just don't quite get it done anymore. You know what I'm saying? It's too small. It's too slow. I gotta load it in the back of the truck because I ain't got a trailer for it. That thing stinks. But I'm gonna take the old not John boat. What do you call this thing? Bass boat today, and see if we can get after some ducks. We're loaded up. Drain plugs in. I don't know. Maybe we'll even see if she'll fire up if we're lucky. But I don't know. I'm running like 15 minutes late, as per usual, so let's get after it. Hey guys, well, we made it. It's still actually dark, so that's good. I think I can actually probably get all the decoys out before shooting time for once, which is going to be awesome. Anyhow, just decided to pick a new spot on the river today. I mean, I say new. I've hunted probably, I bet you, a few hundred yards up from here, but this spot looks pretty nice. I got just this little outcropping of weeds and a little bit of bank that I can put the boat in some slack water. I can have the decoys in some slack water. I got some standard geese that I can throw up here on the bank, so it'll be pretty nice. The setup. What was that? It's weird, man. Anyhow, let's get some decoys in the water. Alright, we got like, I don't know, half a dozen mallards out. Put out a couple black ducks and cover the boat. Now's probably a good time to tell you guys about Bearded Outdoors. I'm sporting one of the hoodies from Bearded right now, but this design is not available yet. It will be available as soon as we get some finalized designs taken care of, but we do have thermal hoodies available online. This is a thermal hoodie, just a different design, and these things are warm, so check them out. beardedoutdoors.shop, link in the description down below, and use code BB5 to get you 5% off your entire order. All right, go down there, check it out, look at the website, see if there's anything you like. We just got a shipment of stuff in, so we will be adding to the website very soon, okay? So we will be expanding our lineup. Anyways, let's go get some ducks. Like a dozen and a half mallards. They were pretty high up. I say mallards, they might not have been. I mean, big ducks flying high. There you go. Well, guys, I think we're gonna pack it up here. A little bit after 9. I mean, you can stay out here for a couple more hours and maybe get something, but it's Thanksgiving. I think it's about that time. Pack it up, head home. Gonna do up these ducks, and I might kill a couple birds of my own at home, and then I'll get started on gumbo. Woohoo! Well, thanks for watching today, guys. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, just hit that thumbs up button for me. It don't take you very long. If you're not already, hit that subscribe button down there. That'd be awesome. And happy Thanksgiving. You're seeing this after Thanksgiving, but happy Thanksgiving anyways. And we'll see you in the next one.